we have learned the sound that a patach adds to a word. Remember that sound. So let's read these words together that all begin with a pataches. Cha, si, da. Cha, tul. Cha, mi, sha. Can you read that last one? Chad. Good job. Cha, 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 cha. These words all begin with cha. And words that have a pataches in the middle also say the cha sound, the pataches in the middle of a word. But our new rule is when we have a patachet at the end of a word, it does not make a cha sound. It makes an ach sound. Say ach. A pataches at the beginning or middle of a word makes a cha sound. A pataches at the end of a word makes an ach sound, like no, ach, ko, ach. Let's say ach 5 times, starting in a whisper and getting louder. Ach, 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 ach. What sound does a pataches at the end of a word say? I hope you said ach, because that would be correct. Let's practice. We'll read 2 lines together, and then I'll give you time to read, and I will repeat after, and you'll see if you read it correctly. Cha, ach, ko, ach, ta, pu, ach, zo, re, ach, no, ach, bo, re, ach, lu, ach. Now it's your turn. For the next 2 lines, you will say the word and pause. I will say the word and you'll make sure you said it correctly. If you didn't, correct yourself. Sho, che, ach. So, le, ach. Lish, ko, ach. Bo, te, ach. Be, ko, ach. Mis, be, ach. Press pause and finish practicing the last 2 lines to yourself. Make sure that you're saying a pataches at the end of the word says ach.